Imagine stepping away from the daily grind, only to return stronger and more skilled. Career breaks aren't setbacks, they're opportunities for growth. Let's explore how these pauses can redefine your professional journey. During a career break, you gain unique skills and perspectives. Whether it's multitasking as a parent or strategic planning from running a business, these experiences enrich your professional profile. Reflect on your career aspirations. What motivates you? Align your goals with your strengths and values to ensure a fulfilling career path. Break down your goals into manageable steps. This focused approach not only simplifies your job search, but also keeps you motivated and on track. Your CV is your professional handshake. Highlight skills and experiences from your break. Use a skills-based format to emphasize achievements over chronological history. Tailor your CV for each job application. This customization improves visibility and showcases your adaptability to potential employers. Update your LinkedIn profile with recent skills and activities. Engage with industry groups and reconnect with former colleagues to expand your network. Seek recommendations and endorsements. These boost your profile and increase your chances of landing interviews. Identify skill gaps and pursue relevant courses. Document new skills on your CV and LinkedIn profile to showcase your commitment to growth. Engage in activities that build confidence and resilience. These experiences not only enhance your profile, but also prepare you for future challenges. Develop a structured job search plan. Explore flexible work options to ease back into the workforce, ensuring a smooth transition. Prepare for interviews by highlighting unique experiences from your break. This approach not only sets you apart, but also demonstrates your adaptability and growth. Creating a CV can be quick and easy with the right tools. Our CV Builder offers creative, professional, and modern templates to showcase your expertise. Whether you're a teacher or welder, there's a template for you. Thank you for watching our guide on rejoining the workforce. We hope these tips empower you to craft a compelling CV and navigate your return with confidence. Remember, the right strategies and support can make a significant difference in successfully transitioning back into your career.